It's us. Hey. Hi guys, welcome to another video from Arctic Bear ATV. It's Wednesday the 18th of November 2020. It's a lovely sunny day, blue sky, not a cloud to be seen. I think the temperature's currently about 18 degrees. We've had a little ride out. We brought the drone with us today. We've just got a Mavic Air 2 drone, so we've been trying that out. Going to do some videos on the bike and the areas where we are with the drone. Just to the side of me is this old ruin, so we're going to practice on that first, just flying it around. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to see some more of what we get up to, check out some of our other videos, and we hope to do some more drone footage as time goes on. So hope you enjoy it, and speak soon.